Mornings can be busy, but that doesn't mean you have to skip a healthy breakfast. Here are 5 quick, delicious, and nutritious breakfast ideas, all in under 20 minutes. First up, avocado and egg toast. Toast whole grain bread, mash some creamy avocado, and top it with a fried or poached egg. Sprinkle on chili flakes, salt and pepper for a perfect balanced meal. Next, a berry and Greek yogurt parfait. Just layer Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and crunchy granola. Drizzle with honey and toss in some chia seeds for an extra health boost. If you love eggs, try this spinach and mushroom omelet. Sauté fresh spinach and mushrooms, then pour in whisked eggs. Cook, fold and serve with whole wheat toast, simple and satisfying. Need something fast? Blend up this banana and almond butter protein smoothie. Banana, almond milk, almond butter, and protein powder. It's creamy, delicious, and keeps you full for hours. And last but not least, overnight chia pudding. Just mix chia seeds, almond milk, and honey, let it sit overnight, and wake up to a ready-to-eat, nutrient-packed breakfast. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy, healthy recipes, because a better you means a better life.